Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be doing some more Polygel today. Yeah, I don't even know what to say. Polygel and I are starting to become friends, if you can even believe it. I can't believe it. You know what? I can't do it on myself because it's super difficult to remove and I have to do manis like twice a week. So I can't rock the Polygel, but you know who can? Becca can. She can rock the Polygel. Makartt was so kind. They reached out to me. They wanted me to try their blue Polygel kit. And I happily accepted. And Becca was super excited about it because you guys know Becca, she loves the blues. This kit did come with pretty much everything you need to do the mani. Came with a bunch of colors. I'm going to swatch them out for you. It did come with a clear, which I very much appreciated. It came with a file, the slip solution type stuff. It came with the brush that you need to do the stuff with. It came with dual forms, the plastic forms. I'm not a big fan of those, so I did use paper forms on Becca, but it does come with the dual forms in case you prefer that. And yeah, so Boo's gonna join me here in a little bit. If you are interested in the videos on that mani on my right hand, I will leave that video up here in the cards for you. There is no video for the mani on my left hand, so I'm sorry. That was an experiment gone wrong, so I wound up not filming that. But I do have some outstanding stuff coming up for you guys that I'll tell you about a little bit later on. Back to Polygel. So this is the surface cleanser that you can use as slip solution. Actually worked really well. How stinking cute is this little cup? One of you guys, my girl Nelia, she is one of the mods over in my Facebook group, and she sent me this adorable, I want to call it like a mystery box, because it kind of was, all this cute stuff. And she sent me that little cup. She's from Puerto Rico, so I thought it was the cutest thing ever. I will apologize. I wanted to show you how I formed the nail with the nail form. I was incredibly out of frame. It's so hard to do stuff that you're not comfortable doing in frame. I don't think you guys understand. It has to be in my face. So I apologize. I will have another one coming for you, I promise. But I did form the nail on the nail form with the Polygel. And now I'm going to create the rest of the nail, like build the nail, I guess you could say. This is, in again, no way, shape, or form a tutorial, and I'm kind of glad that it's not. I wanted this to really be from a DIY perspective because I've only played with this stuff, I'm not even going to say a handful of times. I think this is maybe like my third Polygel adventure. I've done a couple of extensions on myself with the nail forms. Well, that's right. I'll link that up here in the cards for you guys. If you want to see how I form the nail on a nail form, I'll give you a good video for that. So now I'm just kind of building the nail, and I love the Makartt Polygels. I've used a few different Polygels, and Makartt so far is my favorite. I just find it very easy to work with. It's super soft. I don't know, it doesn't level itself. It goes where you want it to go and it stays there, which is outstanding. And you'll see the end result. You're only going to see me do her one finger, but you're going to see the entire mani at the end. Y'all, we would have been here forever if I had showed you the entire hand. I actually did two hands. You're going to see them both. It took me about, I want to say 2 hours-ish to do the full set on her, which granted is not that bad, but still I didn't want to sit here for 2 hours and edit the video, much less put you guys through all of that. So you're only going to see me do the one nail. The brush was great. I have zero complaints. It's a double-sided brush, so you have a spatula on one side and the brush on the other. I don't really use the spatula. You would use the spatula maybe if you wanted to put it into a dual form and do it that way. I just kind of squeeze it out of the bottle. I don't know if you're supposed to do that or not, but that's what I did. Yeah, have you guys used this Polygel before? If you have played with Polygel, let me know. If you play them with Makartt Polygel, let me know too, and let me know what you guys think of it, because honestly, I really liked it. Becca loved it. Becca loves these nails. She's so happy. She's like snatching everything, you know, making that little hand. I'm doing it right now. You can't see me, but I am. Like the little snatch hand motion. and she's pointing at everything. She is loving these nails. I don't like extensions on her because she's only 13. I say only. I know that's a teenager, but still, she's my little one, and I don't like extensions on her. But I figured she's not going anywhere. We're under lockdown, not because Florida's under lockdown, because it's not. I'm under lockdown because I say so. So they're not going anywhere. They have nowhere to be, nowhere to show their nails to, except for moi, so I don't care. I'm going to let you guys finish watching me get this nail sculpted. I realize I'm taking forever, and that's because I have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm going to let you guys hang out, watch me finish up sculpting this one damn nail, and I'll be back with you guys in just a bit. So Boo went ahead and cured that for a full 60 seconds in an LED. And I'm just going to go over the whole nail with the surface cleanser stuff because there's a tacky layer on top. And if you want to file it without the file getting gunked up, you got to cleanse the nail. So I really wanted to show you the whole thing kind of from start to finish. So I am going to do some hand filing and I am going to do some e-filing. Okay, y'all, since I did my hand filing video, if you missed it, I'll leave it in the cards. But from a couple of weeks before I filmed that video, and since filming that video, I've been really trying to practice hand filing, and it's truth time. We're gonna have some truth come out right now. I am kind of loving hand filing. I know, pause for reaction. I don't know, you know what? I feel like there are just some things that you can do with a hand file that you cannot really accomplish with an e-file. And for me, I'm finding that especially like my sidewall area, I'm able to blend that so much better with a hand file. And I'm looking at my nails right now. I just did a set today and the contour on my nails, I can't. I'm so happy with myself that I was able to do that. So I have a high appreciation, a massive appreciation. I don't know where I'm from right now. Massive appreciation for the hand file at the moment. I'm loving it. I am loving it. So that's what you see me doing with Boo right now. I am just evening it out a little bit. I'm contouring it a little bit. I will go in with an e-file and just remove a little bitty bit of the bulk from her cuticle area and just generally even everything up. And we're going to put some gems and a little bit of bling on top coat, and she's going to be good to go as soon as I finish the rest of her fingers. So I'm going to let you guys watch for just a little bit, but I will be right back. Look at this little girl. She's such a brat. I'll be right back. I felt the need to jump in for a sec. First of all, I'm using the safety bit from Kiara Sky. I will leave it in the description box for you guys. I've been watching a lot When I say a lot, I mean I binge watch Young Nails like I binge watch Netflix. It's becoming an obsession. Shout out to Young Nails. Y'all are teaching me monsoons of stuff. I love their channel. Their like nail school videos are so interesting and informative. I've been watching the way they file, the way they e-file, what bits they use, how they apply stuff, and I feel like I'm improving in my own skill set by watching them and what they do and how they teach. So hopefully once I feel confident enough to actually explain to you guys the stuff that I do and why I do it and how it works, I will educate you guys too. But I would highly, highly recommend, if you haven't checked out their YouTube channel, I would absolutely recommend watching them. They're one of my new favorite channels. I love them so much. And the guys are just hilarious. I get a kick out of them all the time. So you guys saw me contour, well, not really contour. I was kind of just blending stuff down with the e-file bit. And I'm just going back in with my hand file to smooth out those lines. I really should have done e-file first and then hand file second, which I did on the rest of our hands. But I'm showing you my mistakes because I make them too. And this is kind of an all-inclusive video. I wanted you to see exactly what it was. What I'm doing here is I'm just making sure her free edge, or not free edge, is it her free edge? Her tip is even and nice and straight. And make sure there are no lumps or bumps or anything like that, making sure it's a nice contour inward. As you can see, her C-curve looks pretty nice, and that I will give credit to the form. And I'm using cheap forms. These are forms that come with like generic kits. They're not the good forms. I did get good forms for some other stuff that I'll be playing with coming up in the future. I have been playing a lot with acrylics with monomer. And I recently ordered myself one of those practice hands from Red Iguana, so I'm super excited about that. We will be starting acrylic lessons. So I'm going to go ahead and get her now cleaned up and situated, and we'll put some stones on. It's going to be good, guys. Stick around. Tinted Mani. I think it came out adorable. Love the way these came out. I actually really like this Polygel kit, no lie. Like, it was super easy to use. It was easy to fix if you made anything too bulky or uneven. It's super soft to file down. I had zero problems, zero complaints. Boo loved them. Finishing up with my Candy Skincare Cuticle Oil like I always do. This month's sub bag, oh my gosh, love it to pieces. Not this month, July's sub bag. Oh my God, it was so good. If you don't have a sub bag to Candy Skincare, I highly recommend. I will leave all the links for everything that I used for this kit. I have a discount affiliate link down there for Makartt that I will leave you as well. And I hope you guys took something out of this video. I don't know what, but I hope you did. I hope you learned something or found me F up in some way. And if I did, please let me know. I'm always into the constructive criticism. Definitely keep me posted. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for joining me and Boo on our little Polygel adventure. And I will see you guys in the next vid. Love you, bye.